Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex if you guys are new here. And this guy, if you don't know him, is my husband.
Hi.
Hey, stop. Stop.
These are our kids in the back being bad.
Always.
So you guys can tell by the title, we have some news to share with you guys.
Big news.
Big news. So pretty much, we've just been like quarantining together, making moves, making plans. We have been planning to move for, I would say, like the last couple years. We've been like serious about it. We decided we're moving. The first option we were discussing was Houston.
So yeah, Houston was on our list because we both were working for the same company for a while, and there was a possibility that there was actually an opportunity that the company was going to open up a location in Houston, Texas. So yeah, that was going to be our first place that we were going to move to, and we were very excited about that. We had done our research. I have a cousin that lives in Houston, family members that live out there, so cost of living was very affordable. Huge city, it's like one of the largest cities. So yeah, we were super excited, about Houston.
And we were happy about it too, because it's like the halfway point between both of our hometowns. He's obviously from the South and I'm from Arizona, and it was like a good happy median between the two.
Yeah.
So like it was reasonable, we were gonna go with work, so we already had jobs in place. And then we got to the point with that company to where we realized that they weren't going anywhere. There were just too many promises that like were not being fulfilled. Definitely sold a dream. Then 2020 comes along. Thank God we were blessed with new jobs in 2020, and we decided that it was up to us to make this move. So once we decided, okay, we're doing this ourselves, we're gonna save up, we're gonna figure this out, we were debating between Virginia and Atlanta. Virginia because his parents and his siblings are in Virginia. I have family in Virginia, and it was just a really cool opportunity we've traveled there plenty of times. We've been to DC, Chocolate City. It's like full of culture, full of everything that we're into is in DC. So we were like, you know what, his parents offered us to stay with them while we got settled and got on our feet, found jobs. So our plan was to just save, move out there, and then just start over. But we also, in the back of our minds, always considered Atlanta because we just love Atlanta so we It's like probably the place that we've traveled to like in the East Coast the most together.
Yeah, for sure.
And we love it. Like we've spent so much time there. He obviously has family really close. He's got friends in Atlanta. I have family that's like 5 to 6 hours away in Florida and Virginia. So when it came down to like comparing, we compared everything. We compared cost of living, we compared jobs, what they pay, neighborhoods. We compared everything. And we debated. It was Virginia, Atlanta, Virginia, Atlanta, Virginia, Atlanta, Virginia. Like
back and forth.
Literally back and forth the entire year. And then we decided on,
So this fall, we'll be taking our talents to
Atlanta. So we are going to LA. And the thing is like we've been talking about this move for so long, and our family and friends are probably sick of us because it's like every time they talk to us, like it's a new
Where are you
city.
going? I don't know. We've been trying, like she said, we've been trying to move for so long. It's just been it's been a long process, but we're happy with our decision. Glad that we made the decision to move to Atlanta. I think it'll help both of us. As far as things we're trying to pursue, me personally, I always wanted to move to Atlanta. It's crazy because when I grew up, I lived in two places that was literally both on the opposite sides of Atlanta, so they were both like 2 hours away from Atlanta. So we would always go to Atlanta, but finally to actually live in Atlanta is very exciting.
I think the turning point for us really was Virginia always had the upper hand because we had a place to stay and a place to save up while we got settled. But then with the pandemic and my job going fully remote, It's actually remote until July of 2021.
It's crazy.
So I've got like a full year to be remote. I could work from anywhere. And that's when we kind of made the decision, like Atlanta just makes more sense. That's where we really want to be. It's going to be more affordable to live in a place that we want to live in. And only one of us will have to find a job once we get there. So
Yep.
I think that my job being remote is actually what like sealed the deal.
Yeah, that was a deal breaker for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
So it's just been such a blessing, the way things worked out and the way things fell into place. And I'm just like so thankful that everything happened the way it did, because I feel so strong and we feel so like comfortable and excited about our decision. It's not like we're taking any sort of super big risks. You know, we have everything planned out. We found a place.
Yeah. Yeah, this is like the first time we've fully like just been excited. Like even after, obviously before we found a place and everything, we were just excited to get out there. But even after we found a place and which was like, I don't know, probably like a month ago, we still feel excited.
Yeah.
It's like you still feel that excitement. Like it still feels unreal that we're even moving, let alone moving to Atlanta. But you know, we're excited. We've enjoyed I've enjoyed Arizona. That's all Alyx knows. But I've enjoyed Arizona. Lived out here for 7 years. A lot of good times, a lot of memories, met a lot of great people, and yeah, I'm glad I moved out here. It was like I said, a lot of good times. So, and now we're just ready for a new chapter in our lives, and yeah, a lot of great things to come.
Yes, for sure. It's definitely a little more bittersweet for me because, like he said, I'm from here. I've never moved away out of state, so he's used to moving out of state. He's done it. This will be my first time, and for it to be like across the country is like so crazy to me. So yeah, I'm just like, it's kind of crazy, but I'm so excited. I'm a little nervous just because being a new start, you know, in a new city is kind of crazy, but we're gonna really miss our friends, my family here. It's definitely bittersweet because as far as like Arizona goes, the main thing that I'm gonna miss is the people, like 100%. We actually move out of here. We leave September 10th, so we literally have like a couple weeks. So it's creeping up really quickly.
Yeah, very fast.
And I wanted to wait to share the news with you guys just because, like I said, it's been like up in the air for so long, and I think we made a vlog for Vlogmas last year in Christmas saying that we're moving, like it was this thing, but like I wanted to wait till it was sure, we had a place, and we had a date. So we have a date set.
It's official.
We're packing up September 10th. We're selling all of our furniture. We're getting rid of everything. We're starting fresh when we get there.
Yep.
We're packing up our dogs, our clothes, our shoes, my makeup, and that's it. We're taking nothing else. We're starting over, and I'm really excited. Let us know if you have any questions about anything. We're happy to share more information about how we planned everything. I actually might make another video talking about that because it's been...
Yeah, that was a huge process. Yeah, that's definitely a video of its own.
For real. So.
Yeah, I mean, just moving in general is not easy. Moving in general isn't easy. Definitely moving across the country isn't easy at all. Obviously, when I moved here, she had already had a place, and I had a job in place when I got here and everything. But yeah, trying to pack up and move, and especially like even in the pandemic where you really can't travel like that to even go look at a place or whatever, and you know the way flights are, different things like that. It's just been it was a tough process. We're very thankful that we finally, you know, made the decision and everything came together. But yeah, it was definitely a tough process. So anybody who's looking to, you know, move across the country, all I say is just do your research, do a lot of research. Don't go after the first movers you see. Like we went through a lot of, you know, different things with that. And yeah, just, you know, just do your research. That's all I can suggest.
Yep.
So
yeah, man, Atlanta, here we come. Phoenix, it's been real, but we are
It's been real,
out.
Phoenix. Nah, it's just been real. We're leaving the dry heat to go to the humidity. Because it's so hot here. So I know it's two different type of heats, but either way.
Yeah.
I mean, the one good thing is we're moving out there in the fall. So we're moving out there in a nice time to actually enjoy the fall, see the leaves change, and you know, so yeah.
Yep.
That's exciting.
Super excited. Well, yeah. We're gonna vlog the whole process, and it should be very interesting. It should be an adventure. Our plan is to take 2 days. We're gonna stop in Dallas, stay the night there, and then head to Birmingham, stay the night there with his grandparents, and then head to Atlanta. So we'll vlog the whole journey, share everything with you guys. Like I said, it's gonna be an adventure, traveling with a car full, 2 dogs,
2 dogs
across the country. So
2 needy dogs,
crazy little guys, but super excited. Can't wait to share everything with you guys. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. We have some cool footage coming with the move. I've got a couple things happening before we take off here in Phoenix, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. There will be some content coming soon. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. If you like Atlanta, if you've been to Atlanta, give this video a thumbs up. I think that's all we have to say. So thanks again so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you real soon. Bye. Peace up, down.